Hi, my name is Vatsaloja, and this is my 112 Style Editor project. So I'll just begin by running the project, and we can go along and see exactly what everything does. So first, you want to pick the file that you want to edit. In this case, we called it playing.py. Alright, we go to the editor, and we say, okay, how many lines per function? Let's just say 20. If you want to increase that for animation or something, make it 30, 40, whatever. Magic numbers, and we'll just go through and say yes for all of these. We want to change these. We'll see what happens at the end. Yes, that is a global variable. Okay, fine, that line is too long. Comment stressor. We say, okay, explain this function, explain that loop, explain another function, explain what's being printed. It tells you at a basic level what to do and exactly where to comment. And it'll do that in the file itself so you don't forget or anything. Okay, the timer should be entered. Let's go to the file. Would you look at that? Everything's all commented up. We have all the timers in, and all it does is print how long each function takes. We have long lines, we have explain the function, and on long functions, explain what's being printed. All this stuff is all right here. And so, the second part of the project is simply a game. I found the old little game, and once we build it, come on Python. Now, pick the file again, and we say, okay, let's go, really pick anything, but let's just pick playing.py. Let's go to the game. And all this game does is you have to edit the game so that it does not change the output of this function, and also it follows all the style guidelines. So in this case, we won't go through the entire thing since it takes a little while, but we want to make a new line there. We want to assign a variable here, and it checks it in the same way that it checks the other files. And once you win, it'll put up a win screen with the number of seconds that you took. And that's it. That's my project. And the most interesting part of this project, I would say, is the machine learning part of it. So I wrote my own machine learning algorithm, more specifically a simple naive Bayes algorithm. And all it does is a use of a principle called bag of words to determine whether a certain line should have a comment on it or not based on training code right here, which has a variety from 112 homeworks of other people and all this some Google GitHub Python code. And yes, that is my project. Thank you very much.